Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove shutdown under desktop icon text on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to remove shutdown under desktop icon text on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start, type here this PC. After right click on properties, click on advanced system settings and click on advanced, click on settings. Now here option use drop shutdown for icon labels on the desktop. Check this box. Click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to remove shutdown under desktop icon text on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.